How do I install Google Play on my Samsung Smart TV? Today I'll show you how to get Google Play on a Samsung Smart TV. Or more accurately, the practical ways to run Google Play apps on a Samsung TV. First, important fact. Most Samsung Smart TVs run Samsung's Tizen OS, not Android TV. That means you cannot install the Google Play Store directly on the TV. Don't waste time trying to sideload system apps on Tizen. It won't work. I will give you 3 options. You can choose whichever works best for you. Option 1. Best. Use a Chromecast with Google TV or Android TV device. If you want native Google Play access and the cleanest experience, get an Android TV device such as Chromecast with Google TV, NVIDIA Shield, or any Android TV box. Step 1. Buy a device. Choose Chromecast with Google TV, recommended for simplicity, or another Android TV box. Step 2. Connect. Plug the device into an available HDMI port on your Samsung TV and attach power, USB, or power adapter. Step 3. Switch input. Use your TV remote to change the input to the HDMI port you used. Step 4. Initial setup. Follow on-screen prompts to pair the remote and connect the device to your Wi-Fi network. Step 5. Sign in. Sign into your Google account on the Android TV device. Step 6. Open Google Play. Navigate to the Apps or Google Play Store app on the Android TV home screen. Step 7. Install apps. Search for the apps you want and install them. They'll run through the Android TV device and display on your Samsung TV. Why this is best? You get full Google Play access, automatic updates, and app compatibility designed for TV. Option 2. Cast or mirror from your Android phone, tablet. Quick and free. If you don't want extra hardware, casting is a good option. Step 1. Confirm casting capability. If you have a Chromecast device or an Android TV device connected, you can cast. Some Samsung TVs support screen mirroring through SmartView, but full Chromecast casting is only available if you have a Chromecast or Android TV device. Step 2. On Android. Open the app you want, YouTube, Netflix, etc. Tap the cast icon and select your Chromecast or Android TV device. Step 3. Or mirror screen. Open the quick settings on Android. Tap Screencast or Smart View and choose your TV if the TV supports it. On iPhone, use AirPlay if your Samsung TV supports AirPlay. 2. Step 4. Control playback from your phone. The content plays on the TV while your phone acts as the remote. Option 3. Use an HDMI-connected Windows laptop or stick PC. If you already have a laptop, Step 1. Connect your laptop to the TV via HDMI. Step 2. Set TV input to that HDMI port. Step 3. Sign into Google Play apps in Chrome or use Android emulators on PC if needed. Note: this is bulkier, but works for one-off needs. Things not to do. Do not try to flash your Samsung TV with Android or force install Google Play on Tizen. That's unsupported, risky, and likely to break features or void warranty. Also avoid random APK installers for TV that claim to make Play Store work on Tizen. They don't. So to recap, you can't install Google Play on a Samsung TV running Tizen. The reliable ways to get Google Play apps are to use an external Android TV device, best, cast from your phone, or connect a laptop. The Chromecast with Google TV is the simplest route for full Play Store access. That's it for now, guys. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.